got to the airport and we are headed to the FIji Airways lounge. We are using our priority pass, which we have through our credit card, to be able to access the lounge, which comes in handy literally all the time. So, go in.
Hey guys, I'm Marin.
And I'm Max.
So we're going to Trigger. So we are in the FIji Airways Premier Lounge, and it looks like it's just renovated. It's absolutely beautiful. They come to you and you can order drinks, and they bring you food. They have all these amenities like showers. It looks like they have a little spa here as well. Endless food options. So we're really excited to show you what it's like. So the lounge does have a spa where you can purchase treatments between your flights or after your flight or before, and it looks like you can get things like a full runway ready spa pedicure for $95 Fijian, which is like under $50 US, and that's a great deal for an hour, which I might just have to go do.
So another major positive of this lounge is the fact that it has a shower. Any lounge that has a shower is a major win in our book, because if you're ever on a long flight, you're on a long haul, this isn't super long to get back to the US, it's only 11 hours, but you had a long day, we've been traveling one island to another, we were outside, it was hot, it's sweating, and just being able to take a shower is a huge positive. Quick highlight of what the lounge is like here at the Nadi airport in Fiji. It's pretty cool that you're able to get in if you have a priority pass, which is available on your credit cards. You can check the link down below for some of the credit cards we like the most for getting into lounges and being able to leverage priority pass. This is one of the first lounge review things that we've done, so if you like this video, make sure to give us feedback. If there's things that you want to know about other lounges or other parts about airports and travel, some of our good tips, also let us know in the comments below. As usual, subscribe and make sure to follow us on Instagram and on our blog at moretrigger.com.
See you soon.